Hi guys, me and Tessa are releasing Who Can Burp the Loudest contest. I just finished my Coke. Tessa, how much do you have to go on your Coke?
Maybe like halfway.
Alright. This is Maggie. She came to say hi.
That was pretty big.
Guys, Tessa's biggest burp might not come. Like, it's not coming. I don't... This video might be a flop. I don't know. Oh my god, Tessa just had the biggest burp in the world.
I'm texting all my friends about it. Like, that was crazy. Like, I'm shook. My insides are upside down after that. I cannot believe that that's happened.
Thanks for watching, guys. Maybe Mo Lester will be in the next one. Bye, guys.